So good morning. We'll start feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down, crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. Now interlace the fingers, palms up towards the sky. Inhale, straighten the arms. Exhale over to the left. Inhale to center. Exhale, arms down. So inhale, lengthen the arms up. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, down. Again. Inhale. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, down. Inhale, exhale right, inhale center, exhale down, and we'll twist. So inhale, exhale twist, inhale back, exhale down, inhale, exhale twist, inhale, exhale, inhale lengthen, exhale twist, inhale back, exhale down, inhale and exhale, inhale back, exhale down, bring the arms down, and we'll work on the lower joints. So belly button squeezed in, find your focus point, and we'll rotate into that left hip. And then rotate the other way. Place the fingertips on the knee joint and circle. And the other way. And finally onto the ankle joint. And the other way. So bring the leg down, working onto the right side. So starting into the hips. Remember, nothing should hurt. Try and keep your balance. And just gently rotate into the joint and the other way. And holding onto the knee joint and rotate. And the other way. And the ankle. And the other way. So bring the leg down, feet back to hip width, and we'll just gently roll the shoulders back. And then forwards. Place the hands on the shoulders, circle with the elbows. So slow and controlled. Thinking about the breathing. And then going the other way. Alright, so working on eagle pose. I'm going to bring the left arm across the body, right one on top, elbows on top of each other. Then we twist the forearms upwards and maybe bring the palms together or wherever you're at. And just hold in there. And doing the other side. So right one across, left on top. Forearms up, palms together. So we'll do that again. So left across, right on top. Forearms up, palms together. If you want a deeper stretch, we lift the elbows, but do not strain. Bring the arms down, so right one across, left on top, forearms up, palms together. Maybe lifting the elbows for that deeper stretch. And bring the arms down, so work on the balance. Standing on the right leg, bring the left one high and across, aiming to get the left toes behind the right calf, and just bring the hands to the chest. You can always have those left toes on the ground if the balance is a struggle. So try the other side. So standing on the left, right leg comes across. Tucking the toes around the back of the calf. Hands to the chest. And coming up. So again, so have a little bend in that right knee. And bring the left leg over. So if you can add the arms, we'll go left first, then right one. And try and focus the balance, squeeze the legs together. And come out and do the other side. So a little bend in that left knee, bring the right one over. And right arm first, left on top. And coming out, we'll do one more each side. So standing on the right, left leg over. So once you've got your balance, take the left arm across, then the right. Now if you want to go further, bring the elbows to the knees. So try with the breathing. So inhale first, and exhale, bring the elbows down. So find a new focus point, steady the breathing. And control back out. Do one more. So standing on the left, bring the right leg over. Once you're steady, take the right arm and then the left. And inhale, exhale, elbow to the knee. Keep breathing and hold, squeeze the legs together. And carefully come on out. I'm going to take the legs nice and wide for a wide sweep. Interlace the fingers, palms up towards the sky. Inhale, twist at the waist. Exhale, down and round. So start off nice and easy. Inhale, twist. Exhale, down and round. We've got 4 more each side. Inhale, twist. Exhale. Inhale, twist, exhale. Inhale, twist, exhale, down and round. Inhale, twist, exhale. So 2 more each way. Inhale, twist, exhale, sweeping down towards the ground. Inhale, twist, exhale. And we'll inhale, twist, exhale. Inhale, twist, and exhale. And bring the arms down. So we'll stay with a wide stance. Turn the right foot 90 degrees, back foot slightly angled. We're going to come into extended side angle. So want a good bend in that right knee. Shoulders above the hips. We make sure that knee is tracking in the same direction as the toes, and we just lean sideways to keep the chest open, facing forwards. If you can, bring the forearm to the thigh, and maybe bring that left arm up and across, aiming for that diagonal line from the foot to the fingertips. And carefully coming on up, turn the feet around. So left foot 90, back foot slightly angled, bending that left knee, with the body facing forwards. Just that sideways lean, maybe placing the forearm on the thigh. If we can, bringing that right arm up and across. And maybe even look up to the sky if you feel steady. Make sure you are still breathing. If you're holding on to the breath, you're trying too hard. And come on up. We'll do one more each side. So right foot 90, back foot angled. Good bend in that front knee. So maybe a little deeper this time. Remember, nothing should hurt. So steady breathing. And come on up. Turn the feet around. And do one more. You get set up in your position. Extended side angle. So only turn the head if the neck feels okay. And carefully come on up. So we shall work on Warrior 3, balance pose. We're going to start on the right foot. We'll inhale, exhale, aiming to bring the body parallel to the ground. So we're going to do 3 on each side. So come on up, standing on the left. We'll inhale, exhale forward, trying to keep the back flat, head in line with the spine. And coming on up, standing on the right. Inhale, exhale, hinging forwards, body parallel. And when you're steady, lifting that left leg, toes pointing down, hips in line. And coming down, standing on the left. Find your focus point. Bring the body forwards. And if you can, lift in the back leg. And try and stay focused. And coming down. In my defense, there's a family of poo geckos in the background. Alright, one more each side. Standing on the right. Inhale. Exhale forwards. And lift in that left leg. And then if you can concentrate long enough, maybe bring the arms forwards. Palms together. Lengthen. And coming down. Last one, standing on the left. Inhale. Exhale forwards. Bringing that right leg up. Steady the breathing. Maybe bringing the arms forwards. Lengthen fingertips to the back heel. And coming on up. So we shall finish with the good posture and the breathing. Shoulders back and down, crown to the sky, chin parallel to the ground, one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aiming the in breath to the lower hand. So if it feels comfortable, just close the eyes for a few breaths. And we'll open the eyes, bring the arms down, and we're all done.